Hello students, welcome back to Narayana Digital Classes. Today we will be solving the assignment number 29 on the topic nature of matter. Let's move on to the assignment. So here the first question. Here the question is, which of the following is an element? So before entering the question, what is an element? So element is a pure substance which cannot be further broken into small particles, right? We know that elements are made up of small particles, those are atoms. So atoms can divide into subatomic particles, but element we cannot further divide it into small substances like same elements. And elements are contain same kind of atoms and same kind of atoms. For example, if you see the options, they have given three options. First one, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. So the chemical formula for sodium chloride is NaCl. So it contains two atoms, one is sodium, another one is chlorine. So this is not an element. We know that element contain only same kind of atoms or same kind of substances. So the sodium chloride contain two atoms, one is sodium, another one is chlorine. So this one is not an element. So the second option, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide chemical formula is CO2. So this is also contain two atoms, one is carbon, another one is oxygen. So this is also not an element. So when you come to the third option, that is oxygen. So oxygen chemical symbol is O, right? So it contain only same kind of atom. So oxygen can be considered as an element. So the correct option is oxygen. Clear? Let's move on to the next question. Here the second question, the symbol of fluorine. We know that element can be represented with the simplest representation, right? So whenever if you perform a reaction, if you want to write a reaction, we cannot write as a complete name of an element as complete name of an molecule. So we can represent with simplest representation, that is chemical symbol or chemical formula. So here the symbol of fluorine is F. So fluorine can represent with capital F. So correct option is fourth option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the question, here also same type question, the symbol for chlorine. So symbol for chlorine is Cl. Symbol for chlorine is Cl. So the correct option is third option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the symbol for potassium is. So potassium is a chemical name, it's a common name. So it has a Latin name, it's called kalium. So the chemical symbol for potassium is capital K. Chemical symbol for potassium is capital K. So the correct option is second option. Let's move on to the next question. Here the question is, the symbol for phosphorus is. Symbol for phosphorus is capital P. Phosphorus. Chemical symbol for phosphorus is capital P. So the correct option is fourth option. Clear? With this, I come to the end of the session. Thank you very much.